So this is another ingrown hair that patient came into the office and had a long history of foul smelling stuff, and it drained from time to time, and she complained of it hurting. So we got the microscope out and took a look. She had a little small one off to the side. I didn't think this was the problem hair, but we figured we needed to get it out anyway. So I got it out, popped out, and you can see it there. It's pretty small. But it wasn't the issue that I think was causing her the biggest problems. So we kind of dug around in there a little bit more because I thought I saw a little gray hair underneath that skin that's healed over. That's the biggest problem with ingrown hairs, is that your body is always trying to heal it. So now, once we unroofed the healed skin, you can see a much longer hair underneath. Had to do a little modification of my tools, but once we got everything situated, we were able to kind of grab it almost. And you just grabbing it on the side. So I turned my tweezers 90 degrees, and I got a better purchase of it, and I figured that was the way to go. The hardest part about these is sometimes you have to do them without anesthesia because it makes it hard to find the hair. But once we turn the pickups 90 degrees, you can see got a good purchase on it and pull it out. If you look real close, you can see that this thing is pretty long and it's stuck down in there pretty good. So it's been there for a while. You can see how one edge is narrow and one edge is not. The narrow side is the ingrown part, but once it starts to ingrow, you can see the whole hair was growing underneath the skin. That's not a mole, that's just a piece of blood. So once we get a good purchase of it, we'll go ahead and pull this thing out. But this is essentially what an ingrown hair is, a hair that grows up and for whatever reason curls and grows back down. I don't know what I'm doing here. I guess I'm just messing around, and I don't know. I'm just messing around with it. But anyway, got a good bite of it, and we're able to pull it out and get the whole thing out. That's the most important thing, is that you don't break it off. Once you get one side off, you can see it just kind of slides out. And this is really long as far as ingrown hairs go. Just to give you a reference, we'll put it on a quarter, and you can see the eye of the president, and we'll just lay it over there, and it's real tiny. We'll zoom out a little more so you can see how big that is relative to the normal size of a quarter. And these needle pickups that I have work really great for this. You can get them on Amazon, the link's below. Thanks for tuning in. Quarter.